Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of my project, my second project, aka automation of video post-production. So now step 0. Step 0 would be like, let's say in my media folder, I have my video, I have my thumbnail, so 2 files ready. So just forget this audio, let's delete that, because we are going to create it later on. So media, video, thumbnail, ready. And now we need to have another file ready, and that is the showdata.txt. So this is where I enter my show data. I have my title, Infinity Raw, my tags, John, Wick, Thanos, and my timestamps. So timestamps here and the topic. So here I need to have 3 files ready. First one, show data. Second one, video. And the third one would be thumbnails. And now, before we run the program, we need to take a look at another file, and that is my show record. Show record. So let's take a look at the first show. This is the latest show testing. A testing show test. The latest one, show number 47, title, this is the title, and the text, John Wick stuff, and this is the timestamps. So episode 7 will be the latest episode. And when we create a show, after we run the create, we have a script that updates the record. After we update this record, you will see a new show that we are going to create very soon. So without further ado, let's run the script. The first script we will run will be create show. Creating show, gonna show data from a txt file, getting formatted show description, and show created. So show created what has been created, a show info. Here, because I'm doing the test, so we'll take a look at this file, test info. And let's take a look what's in there. So another script, read show info. So the first item would be show info. So as you can see, the number, episode 48, tags, John Wick, Thanos, timestamps, opening, drinking whey protein, John Wick versus Thanos, and the title will be Infinity Raw. That's what we have just, that's the show info that we input to this program. And the second item would be formatted show description. This is the one I'm going to post it to the YouTube description as well as the podcast for my podcast notes. So this is the formatted description. Infinity Raw, Jackson Off for the 8 contents. Here the timestamps, and this is a extra stuff. Social media, this is real, so please check it out. Instagram at YouTube Amonthep. So after I run the script, the terminal will show a URL, and then I need to open my browser, enter my URL, log in, and get the key in order to proceed the operation. I will not show here because I don't want to show I have other emails, and I don't want to show it here. And after I get the key, I paste the key in this terminal, proceed, and then the video will be uploaded. And welcome back. We took a look of the terminal and it says video uploaded. So why don't we visit the browser and check out if it is true. So see this video that we've just uploaded. Title: Infinity Raw, Dejection of 48, for the 8. Content, timestamps, opening, drinking whey protein, John Wick versus Thanos, all correct. Extra stuff, my social media, and the thumbnail, Jackson Art Podcast, the video here. And so, successful. If I need to publish this video, I need to manually go to this website and set it live. Otherwise, I can the video will remain in private viewing mode. So let's clear that up, make it bigger. And the next step would be to convert the video into audio. So we check out this media. Right now we don't have any audio file, but once we run this script, and we will see a new file created in the folder. Convert, boom, done. Let's check out the folder, and we have a extra file, audio.mp3. Now, next step would be to update my record. This is the old record. The new show should be episode 48. And let's update the show. Update. Boom. See? New show is added into the record, episode 48, Infinity Raw, John Wick Thanos, drinking whey protein. Boom. Show record updated. Next step would be, which is the last step, and that is to upload my audio file to the podcast. And we run the script. Boom. Open the website. Slow network. Log in. I'm not doing anything. It just run automatically. And then it will enter the add page. Search the file for me, and here the program will stop, and the rest of them will be done by myself manually. Select the audio file, and not manually, we still have few steps to go because the program is waiting for me. I have to wait until the audio file is uploaded and processed. Otherwise, the program will not work. Now, I can click it, but I will not click it. I will let my program click it. Press Y, run, save, enter the title and enter the title and description for me. Takes a while. And boom. Oh. Okay. Here's a little bug here. Not a bug, but I forget to change the lines. So the program enters the title and description for me, but as you can see, it is not the same info. It is not episode 48. That is because let me check out the script. Where's the script? Upload episode. So here, get data here. I should use test info. I used the wrong file. I used the real show info file. So I should have changed the name here. I forgot to do it. I should put test info. So the information is not correct, but it is a easy fix. And the rest of them, the program has ended and I will do the rest of them, publish it manually, and that is what that is the demonstration of the whole system. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. This is the first task of the day, recording a vlog. So today's topic would be some thoughts about my internship. My internship started on this Wednesday, and this internship is a 1-year internship, so it will be a long journey, and this internship is related to what I'm studying in the university, which is mechanical engineering. Now, I can't give you the details of my internship because yesterday was only day 3. Not much happened in the first week. For this internship, I can say that I can split it into 2 parts. It's 2 parts. The first part would be a routine task. As an engineer, you are in a department and you need to do a inspection. For example, you have a parts of material that your company just bought it from another manufacturer, and the parts comes in, and you need to do a routine check, a quality check. The department I'm in is about quality management. It is a very if you expand the word quality management, there are many fields, and this year I'm gonna learn as much as I can. So this is routine task, a pre-scheduled, like you will know when it happens in the course of the internship. The second part will be about one-shot project. Routine task is a continuous, repetitive, and the other one will be a kind of a research project, one-shot project, a project to improve anything. You just want to improve something, so you carry out a project. And the second thing would be, the new timetable, new schedule before the internship. Usually I would get up at around 9, sometimes 8, sometimes 7. I don't know why, but usually 9. Now I need to get up at 7, 2 hours earlier, which makes a big difference. To be honest, for the few days of work, I was tired, not because I'm not getting enough sleep, but sometimes I do, but it's just more because of the change of schedule. My body could not get used to it, so I got tired. I do work out. I can work out whenever I want before the internship. Now there are 2 options. The first option is to work out before work. Doesn't happen because I really cannot wake up at 6 or 5. It is killing me. It's killing me. So I have to choose the second option, that is to work out after work. Now, this is a bit tough because after you work, usually you're tired mentally. But the feeling, if you are not disciplined enough, or if you are not clear, usually your mind will treat this sense of fatigue as physical. Actually, it is not, because you work in an office, you sit all day long. It is impossible for you to drain your physical energy. This is about mental. In order to overcome this block, your mind is telling you that, damn man, you work from 8 to 5, just take a break. You need to fight against that. You need to know it is just mentally during the daytime you use out your mental energy, but you still have the physical energy. Workout, you use physical energy. Alright, internship, workouts, and what else? Yes, free time matters because I have my side hustles. Now it is obvious that my progress will be slower. But here comes the trick. Consistency is key. Consistency is king. Consistency over intensity. Intensity, when it comes to learning, intensity would be the duration you learn in a day. The duration. Consistency would be how often you study that material. If I cannot have time to do it, at least I have 30 minutes, 1 hour, try to allocate a short period of time and do my thing. And the thing would be learning my new stuff, learning machine learning. Machine doesn't work. Machine does not learn. That's what I get from a book, 100 pages of machine learning. Machine does not learn. That makes sense though. That makes sense because we build everything. Not before that. Let's say before the machine tells you, is it a dog or a cat? Before this decision making, we here as a human put a lot of effort to design, to compute a algorithm or a model to tell the machine which one this data or which one this item, this object belongs to. So machine does not learn. This might not be true because I don't know what I don't know. I just and I think this is a quite surprising when I read this book, the introduction or the preface. And it's kind of surprising that machine does not learn. I haven't thought about that. I feel like machine learning, machine learns. Maybe I will talk about this book later on because I'm reading this book. After Python, let me sum up the journey from starting from July. In July, I pick up the Slack, the programming, I relearn it. Python, few weeks. Now, August, I decided to, step my game up, start moving on towards the machine learning path. Now, machine learning is a broad discipline. I needed to, so I bought a book. The book is 100 pages of machine learning. I don't know if I get the title correct, but it is. The title will be very similar. 100 pages of machine learning. Get it? Now I try to read it. I'm now reading chapter 1. Although it is 100 pages, it has only 100 pages. how can I say that? It is not an easy read. It is not an easy read. You need to think while you're reading. It is not a book for leisure. It's book for learning new knowledge. So I need to read it slowly. And the whole book, I expect after reading the whole book, maybe I cannot finish the whole, but at least I've finished 80% of the book. After reading this book, I should have a clear picture of what machine learning is. How can I, after reading this book, I should learn how to deconstruct machine learning, the whole field, how to deconstruct it into pieces so that I can plan ahead and know what my next step is. For example, with deconstruct machine learning, maybe we have a data collection, data manipulation, how to create a model, how to what, something like this. You deconstruct it, you keep deconstruct it until you reach a piece, a step that I can take actions. So that's how I think about this. Deconstruct the whole topic into sub pieces and start working on it one by one. That's my take. And that is it. This is Jackson in the Jackson Log. And I'll see you soon. Out.